these are all free from the hotel. This wine, great. Some beer, milk, and also this bar, all free because this is all inclusive. There is also room service menu here. So 100 pounds, it's 2 euros approximately. Okay. Lovely view.
So how was my massage? It was really good, although the price was quite expensive. It was 75 euros because I take 2 massage package. In the city center you can have 1 hour massage like 20 euros or something, but it's very convenient to go to spa in the resort where you stay. I had woman massager. Her name was Sarah and she was great. So I can recommend definitely this massage center. It's not really spa because usually when you go to spa you have a jacuzzi and everything else more than just massage. This Grand Palace is located in Hurghada near airport. That is special place for quite expensive hotels like 4 and 5 stars, but it's not in city center at all. It's quite quiet. There is restaurants and some nightclubs or bars, not so many, but and pharmacies and everything like that, and souvenir shops around this hotel. But if you want to go to Hurghada, there is new Hurghada center after 5 kilometers north from here. There is a place called Sheraton Road. That's really busy road, and there is a huge amount of shops and everything. But I think there is one beauty shop over there. The prices are not fixed in that beauty salon. I paid 110 all total full facial thing and pedicure and manicure. It was so painful. They cleaned my face and did the hair removal thing. Oh. Okay, I'm going to dinner right now. So here's my final judgment about this hotel in Grand Place. I would say this is a perfect resort for nice relaxing holiday, but definitely this is not 5-star, at least in my standards, European standards. Like Egyptian 5-star is like a 4-star resort. Everything works in this hotel really well. Beach is nice, everything works. Massage was a little bit pricey, and the facial things and pedicure, manicure, it was a little bit pricey. The room is really bright and nicely decorated like this, and I have a partial sea view from my balcony. Food in this hotel is great. I don't have any bad things to say about the food, and I recommend that you try a la carte restaurants. I tried Italian and Asian restaurants and both were very good. Yeah, I like this very much. And today I'm heading to south 29 kilometers to Makati Spa. It's located in Makati Bay. This was great. 1 week holiday here in the Grand Place. We'll see what we have in Makati Bay. But now I have to go. Bye bye!